Hiya, I'm on summer holiday and thought I would sign up to the iPhone photo course with Kit Fanner. I just wanted to say it was easy to understand, super simple to go back to because it's in chapters. So if you don't have time to do it all at once, you can go back to it when you want to. I learned lots about the pre-settings on the iPhone that I didn't know existed. So now I have to practice. But yeah, I really enjoyed it and highly recommend it.
Hi there, I'm Karen. I enrolled on the iPhone course with Kit Fanner. I found the course really good and very informative, especially the section on editing and how to do it properly, which was always a bit of a problem for me. I would definitely recommend this course to any iPhone users that take photos regularly on their phone, just to expand your knowledge base. It's just, it's brilliant. I would highly recommend it.
Hi, I'm Carla from Healthy on Board. I have a food blog which is called Healthy on Board because I'm sailing around the world with my husband Simon on board of Ocean Fox. While at sea, I decided to sign up to iPhone photography course with Kit Fanner because I wanted to learn more about taking better photos for my blog. So I should give them a better quality photos. The course was very easy to take, very easy to understand, step by step. Yeah, I quite enjoy doing it. Now I have to practice a bit more. I would certainly recommend this course for who would like to take better photos and learn how to edit your photos. It is, as I said, a very easy course to do it. And you do it at your own time because you have the videos there, and if you don't have time to do the whole thing in one day, you can do it as you can. So yes, I really enjoy doing it.
Can iPhones be used for great photographs? Absolutely. You just need to know a few basics to turn what was a snap into a great photograph. I'm Kit Fanner, professional photographer and videographer. I've been taking photos for nearly 35 years now, and in the last 18 years I've been travelling the world professionally, shooting a wide range of photography and videography for many large blue chip companies. I also present to other businesses at network meetings and provide regular training for individuals and businesses on how to get photography and videography whilst using their smartphones. The sessions provide the audience with the knowledge that they can create their own professional content from their smartphones. So who would benefit from this step-by-step training? This course will benefit anybody that wants to become a better photographer by improving their photography skills. It will be a benefit to beginners and experienced users alike, amateurs and professionals. This step-by-step course gets straight to the point to help you understand the basics of professional photography, allowing you to take photos that really stand out. Take the course at your own pace and in your own time, but practice what you have learnt. You'll be surprised how quickly your skills will develop and become second nature. You will start to think like a photographer and produce creative photographic images that you will want to share. A common misconception is that smartphones can't be used for serious photography and they're only good for taking fun snaps. Well, with the right knowledge and a few key skills, you'll be able to use your iPhone to create amazing, dynamic, colourful photographs, just like a DSLR. One of the most important skills in all photography, no matter what the camera, is to get it right in camera first time. This means using the camera settings rather than relying on the automatic settings of your camera and turning an average photo into a great photo. This course will teach you how to control focus, light, composition and movement to create these great photos. iPhones have actually changed over time, and so have the settings and so have the features, but what we'll do in this course is try and cover as many as possible so all iPhone users will be able to actually use their current iPhone to get the most out of this course. So what are the course requirements? All you need is access to a modern day smartphone and an open mind to learn and let your creativity run wild.